time ever, I'd like to let Macintosh speak for itself.
Hello, I am Macintosh. It sure is great to get out of that bag. Unaccustomed as I am to public speaking, I'd like to share with you a maxim I thought of the first time I made an IBM mainframe. Never trust a computer you can't live.
Open me first.
So this is the base on which the monitor sits, right?
Right.
Fantastic.
This is user-friendly, isn't it?
Connect the power cord.
And there it is. So that goes in there.
Connecting the keyboard and mouse.
Turning it on, number 1, press the on-off switch.
In a few moments, you will see an icon with a question mark. In the following sections, you will learn basic...
I feel good.
4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff.
They're not simple systems. I mean, these irrigation systems running rice paddies are probably as complicated as any human-managed agricultural system on Earth.
The introduction of Macintosh into Bali is not going to be a problem. It becomes quite evident what it is and what it does. And I think they can learn to run it fast, and I think they can learn to use it without any trouble.
For 4 years, I've been trying to get the irrigation people to pay attention to the water temples. But when we brought the computer to the main irrigation office and showed it to them, they understood. In fact, if you use the computer, if you understand how the model works, then you can't fail to appreciate the significance of the water temples in the system.
September 25th, 1990, East Berlin. Kids at the Paul Robeson Oberschule vote to produce a student newspaper for the first time in 45 years. Before today, most of these students had never seen a computer. Only 2 had heard of Apple. Three hours after the bell rings to go home, students are still sitting at the computers. Students at the Robeson Oberschule were inspired by what they had done. 2 days ago, they had never even touched a computer. Today, the first issue of the Robeson Times was distributed, complete with articles on reunification, the environment, and 2 pages of advertising.
This is a highly sophisticated business computer, and to use it, all you have to do is learn this.
Federal Express, I believe you could go to just about anybody that has a Macintosh sitting on their desk, and they'll tell you that that Macintosh is doing the work of 2 or sometimes 3 people.
When you walk in your office, there's nobody there. When you turn that Mac on, it's like you have an assistant with you. And the assistant doesn't say anything, it just works for you.
You can put a brand new person down with a brand new Macintosh, and in 1 week's time, he's productive on it. If you remove those Macintoshes from Federal Express today, the work and the productivity and the credibility that is being maintained in each department would quite literally cease to exist.
%90 of our students are below the poverty level, and this particular class has the highest attendance, I believe, that has been shown in years. And it could very well be in part to the computers.
When I work on a computer, I feel powerful and smart.
I got it. It made me feel like I got a privilege to do something. I don't want to waste it.
The Cross Bay Bridge separates or connects the 2 very different schools.
We've got a mixed group of children, many of them who were non-English speaking. And here they are linked by computer with children from another economic background that possibly they would have never gotten a chance to meet. And the modem has now joined them.
They're learning that these kids are very different from them because they've come from totally different backgrounds. They live in a totally different kind of area than the kids in 105 here.
Because when you think about it, telecommunications, like a really big word, and you're sending letters to other people in different schools from computer to computer. It's like new wave.
They write theirs and they send it over here, and we learn about new countries, new cultures, and all of that.
If there were no computers, we'd really be shocked because this is like a part of our life. Some of us have been in it for 2 years.
The walls have come down. Opportunity has gone up. And your only limits will be the size of your ideas and the degree of your dedication.